The SpotView feature is designed to help radiologists see details more clearly. And so in a case like this, it's useful to be able to see the calcium. It can also, with the tap of a finger, magnify that up. But we've added some new features, the SpotView Align and the SpotView V mode. And so I want to show you how to enable those. So if I bring up the Barco system settings, I can go in here and I can turn on the bar shape, I can turn on the V shape, and I can set the width of the bar that's going to be shown. And so now if I put my finger down and have the spot, I can put a second finger down and that defines a bar. And I can set that bar at whatever angle I want, and then I can systematically compare between two different images on two different sides of the screen. Or in the case of like this MLO, I really wish that I could move the bar relative to the chest wall. So with that, I make the bar and put down a third finger, and that makes a V shape. And if I set that to be the same angle as the chest wall, now I can move systematically through the breast and compare the tissue on the two sides and make sure that I've really looked at everything. If you would like more tips on how to improve your way of working, please check out our other workflow videos.